Welcome. My name is Rees, and this is my channel Echo and Vision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. The psychology of richness. How to think, act, and live like the wealthy. 1. Have you ever wondered what separates the wealthy from the rest? Is it luck, talent, or something deeper? Welcome to Echo and Vision, where we explore the mindset and habits that unlock abundance. Today, we're diving into the psychology of richness, how the wealthy think, act, and live differently. Whether you're aiming for financial freedom or a richer life in every sense, this video is your guide to unlocking the secrets of abundance. Let's get started. 2. 1. The rich mindset. Unlocking the psychology of abundance. 3. The wealthy don't just have money, they have a mindset that attracts success. It starts with belief. Rich individuals cultivate a deep-seated belief in their ability to achieve financial success. They don't see money as something elusive, they see it as a tool they can master. For example, Oprah Winfrey grew up in poverty but always believed she was destined for greatness. That belief fueled her relentless pursuit of success. Next, goal setting. Wealthy people don't just dream, they set clear, ambitious goals and visualize their success. They see their future so vividly that it feels inevitable. Take Elon Musk, for instance. He didn't just want to build electric cars, he envisioned revolutionizing the entire automotive and energy industries. His goals were so clear that they guided every decision he made. And finally, risk tolerance. The wealthy aren't reckless, but they're willing to step outside their comfort zones and take calculated risks. They understand that growth happens when you embrace uncertainty. Think about Warren Buffett. He didn't become one of the richest people in the world by playing it safe. He took calculated risks, invested wisely, and trusted his instincts. 2. Habits of the affluent. Cultivating a rich lifestyle. Success isn't just about mindset, it's about habits. The wealthy commit to continuous learning. They're always reading, attending seminars, and staying ahead of the curve in their fields. Bill Gates, for example, reads about 50 books a year. He credits much of his success to his habit of constant learning. They also understand the power of network building. Surrounding themselves with other successful individuals creates opportunities and accelerates growth. Think about how many successful entrepreneurs are part of mastermind groups or mentorship programs. They know that who you surround yourself with is just as important as what you know. And let's not forget financial discipline. The wealthy master the art of managing money. They understand the power of compounding and make their money work for them, not the other way around. For instance, many wealthy individuals live below their means, reinvest their earnings, and avoid unnecessary debt. They're not just earning money, they're building wealth. 3. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Shifting your perspective on money. One of the biggest barriers to wealth is our own mindset. Many of us operate from a scarcity mindset, believing that resources are limited and money is hard to come by. But the wealthy operate from an abundance mentality. They believe there's enough for everyone and that opportunities are infinite. To shift your perspective, start by reframing how you see money. It's not just about material wealth. It's about the freedom, impact, and opportunities it can create. For example, instead of thinking, "I'll never be rich," try thinking, "I'm capable of creating wealth and achieving my goals." Another powerful exercise is to identify your limiting beliefs about money. Write them down and challenge them. Are they really true, or are they just stories you've been telling yourself? 4. Building a richer life. Beyond financial abundance, true wealth isn't just about money. It's about living a rich, fulfilling life. The wealthy pursue purpose. They align their work with their values and find meaning in what they do. For example, many successful entrepreneurs start businesses that solve problems they're passionate about. They're not just in it for the money, they're in it to make a difference. They also understand the power of generosity. Giving back not only helps others but also creates a sense of fulfillment and connection. Think about how many billionaires, like Bill Gates and Mackenzie Scott, have pledged to give away the majority of their wealth. They understand that true wealth is about impact, not just accumulation. And finally, they define wealth holistically. It's not just about the bank account, it's about health, relationships, and personal growth. For instance, many wealthy individuals prioritize their health, spend quality time with loved ones, and invest in personal development. They know that money is just one piece of the puzzle. 5. Actionable steps. Implementing the psychology of richness. Ready to start your journey to richness? Here's how. Identify your limiting beliefs about money and challenge them. Write them down and ask yourself, is this really true? Set intentional goals. Create a clear vision of your financial future. Break it down into smaller, actionable steps. Embrace a growth mindset. Never stop learning and seeking new opportunities. Read books, attend seminars, and surround yourself with successful people. Remember, richness isn't just about money, it's about creating a life of abundance in every sense. Start today and watch your life transform. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on mindset, success, and personal growth. Let us know in the comments, what's one limiting belief you're ready to overcome? Until next time, this is Echo and Vision, helping you unlock the life of your dreams. See you soon.